Hello YouTube, another video today, all about again the new Shell promotion where they have these Shell Motorsport collection cars, and the new one for this week is another Ford Mustang GT. This time it's a Team Penske one, where last week's one was the Shell V-Power racing team. So we have another die-cast model right here, and let's open it up and have a look. Okay, here we go. This one came apart a lot easier. So yeah, it's really got a really nice design here. Some good paint work. So we've got the yellow on red rather than the red on the previous model. And I guess the difference between these two are minor, just pretty much design. This one has little rubber mirrors on it, the other one doesn't. And a really big spoiler. So let's give it a whirl. So the little battery goes in here, and I've already charged this one up. Switch it on. And I forgot I need to get the app all ready. So the app's right here. Okay, no, I don't want to rate you right now. Again, the remote control, connect. Okay, great, and it's found the car. So firstly, let's have a look at the light effects. Oh, that's a turbo mode. Cool, so there's lights at the front, nothing in the back again. They're not as bright as the other ones. But, I guess let's see how this one drives. Yep. Yep, it drives pretty smoothly, much like the other one. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm enjoying that. It's a very nice design. They complement each other. Plus I've got two now, so the kids can race each other. One thing, my kids have been digging around in this app, and this hex track thing is something that I'm not sure if it's available in Australia. If you know about it, stick something in the comments so others can see. But there's pictures of a track on it. You collect it, you piece them together, you scan it with your phone with your augmented reality option in the phone, and then that would build a track which you then can race virtually, which sounds pretty cool. I just don't know if that's in there, because I'm noticing a lot of other cars from other sort of promotions, which I think are from other countries, or I've just missed it entirely. But yeah, stay tuned. If if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, hit the dislike twice. Subscribe, ding the bell, and then you'll see the other videos, because there's more to come, and you'll see the collection building up. Thank you, and take care.